Hi, my name is HoKhaiMeng, student from Master of Data Science. Today I'm going to talk about my assessment tool of social and digital media analytics, which my title is Enhancing Social Media Data Analysis, Opportunity, Constraint, and Strategies Insight, Preliminary Data Analysis and Recommendation. So let's talk about the objective and area to be focused. The objective here are provide a comprehensive analysis of the current landscape of social media data. Next is to identify and explore the key constraints, opportunity, and limitations, and to present an actionable insight strategy recommendation for leveraging the social media data more efficiently. So the key area of focus of the preliminary data analysis where we conduct the preliminary data analysis of social media engagement metrics, sentiment analysis, content, content analysis, and others. Next is to have a deeper look into the constraint, opportunity, and limitation. Also, we also will outline a clear and coherent plan for implementing these recommendations to achieve a better outcome of social media data analysis. Now we will talk about the overview of preliminary data analysis. We have include engagement metrics analysis, sentiment analysis, content analysis, competitor analysis, and influencer analysis. We will explain more deeper in the following slide. So first, engagement metrics insight. When we talk about like trends, this can be means that graph showing the trend of like over a specific period. So for comment analysis can be chart depicting the volume of comments and any notable trend of pattern. Shares can be visualizing of how frequently content is shared, indicating reach and virality. As for follow growth, chart can be like line graph or bar chart showing the growth of followers, highlighting any spike and compressing across platform uses a comparative chart to show how engagement metrics vary across different social media platforms, for example, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Second is sentiment analysis. So when we talk about sentiment analysis, we will relate to sentiment distribution such as positive sentiment, neutral sentiment, and negative sentiment. The graphical representative can be used a pie chart or a bar chart to visualize display the distribution of positive, neutral, or negative sentiment and ensure the graph is color coded. For example, green for positive, gray for neutral, and red for negative for easy interpretation, like the image in the slide here. We also uh, may highlight the notable trends observed in sentiment over time, such as an increase in positive sentiment following a product launch of or a marketing campaign. So the following is content analysis. In this analysis, we need to pinpoint the core terms, for example, sustainability and innovation, which strongly resonate with the audience and spark significant engagement. Through the target hashtags such as uh, Econovate, we have engaged in a meaningful community discussion highlighting the audience eco-conscious priority. Keywords related to our content have unveiled the audience key questions and priority, guiding our content strategy toward what truly resonates. The link between these themes and engagement spike is evident, emphasizing the need of our content to continue aligning with this value. Our users of engagement trend graph and a word cloud for hashtags and keyword visualizing demonstrated this alignment impact. This will help us our plan future content that's amplifying audience engagement. For competitor analysis, this focus on key metrics like engagement rate, which shows how content resonates and follower growth, highlighting the brand expanding appeal. So we also examine content virality and audience sentiment to understand the reach and public perception. We have gleaned value insight from an overview of our competitor strategy, identify both their strength and our own opportunity for growth. Through the visual graph, we have compared these critical metrics against our competitor, pinpointing where we stand out and where we can improve. As for the last, which is influencer analysis, for example, influencer A has a high engagement with an average of 5,000 likes per post, demonstrating their potential to amplify our content, while influencer B, a sustainability uh, champion aligning with our eco product line, offering an avenue for authentic collaboration and influencers see audience reflect our core demographic, making them an ideal partner for reaching our target market. For partnership, we have considered engagement content like behind the scenes looks with influencer A, while with influencer B, we're looking at manually beneficial arrangements such as uh, FB Live project. We anticipate this partnership, especially with influencer C, could boost our engagement by 20% and conversation by 10%. Executing this strategy involves personalized outreach for collaboration and monitoring campaign success via analytics to ensure our effort resonate and convert as expected. So in this analysis of constraint spaces, privacy and ethical concerns stand at the out front, ensuring user consent and strict compliance with data privacy laws are not just legal necessity, but also crucial for building trust with our audience. With we must handle data uh, ethnic and with transparency, which reinforce our commitment to our user privacy. So when it comes to data quality changes, we are actively working to ensure the accuracy, particularly in an environment with bots and fake activity. Data cleaning process are important for us to maintain the relevance and validity of our insights. Additionally, it viral the representativeness of our data to prevent school insight that could lead to biased decision making. Platform limitation uh, also restrict on data access via platform API, which can limit our view of analytic landscape. Changes in social media algorithm can also unpredictably affect the content reach and analysis, making it to be challenged and to be maintain a consistent strategy across different platforms. Next, when we talk about the opportunity, uh, we can swiftly adjust campaign, stay ahead of emerging trends and manage our reputation during crisis. Large scale of data is also a game changer for us. It enhances our predictive analytics for more accurate market forecasting and power to train AI for personalized customer interactions and support strategy decision making with a depth analysis. So moreover, demographic insights also provide us a window into precise audience segmentation, enabling new target market that resonate by understanding consumer behavior in details. We can tailor our content and product more efficiently. This level of personalization not only increase the relevance of our user experience but also foster the greater loyalty. In our analysis of limitation, we have identified the critical areas to be addressed. There is data collection bias, where we risk a school view if our data isn't fully representative. For example, by focusing solely on Twitter feedback of a product aimed at seniors, we might miss out on valuable insights since many these demographics are more active in Facebook. Uh, Analytical tools also have their shortcomings. They might narrowing focus on certain metrics or fail to catch the nuances of sentiment uh, uh, like sarcasm, which can lead to misjudge campaign performance. Imagine a sentiment tools that interpret remarks as positive feedback, consequently skewing our event uh, evolution. So we must also be cautious of over we have uh, over we emphasizing quantitative data number without context can be misleading. High engagement numbers are great, but uh, if the activity stemmed from a controversial debate, then it might not our campaign resonate. So we need to access this. The following slide will discuss about the recommendation for problem solution. So to address this uh, ethical concern, we have implemented comprehensive data government policy. This is to ensure that uh, ethical data collection, usage, and protection. For example, a leading tech firm recently enhanced its data handling protocol for increases transparency and breach response, significantly boosting user trust. We also committed the transparent communication with our user about data practices. For example, an e-commerce brand that produced an information video. This video clearly explains on uh, how they use the user data to shape personalized advertising and details on how users manage their privacy settings. So we also take a look on high value on ethical AI practice. This is to ensure that our AI system undergo regular audits to check for bias, ensuring that all AI decisions are fair and transparent. We're also advancing the data quality and relevant by integrating advanced cleaning uh, technique. For example, we use natural language processing (NLP) and automatic scripts to whip out irrelevant or redundant information. In terms of data validation, we rely on rule-based check and manual cross-referencing. This method has proven efficiency as we seen when an analysis ensure the accuracy of sentiment analysis by manually verifying samples, thereby guarantee that our campaign data is both accurate and timely. Also, to maintain the higher standard, we perform routine data audit. Uh, for example, an e-commerce company involves regular updates to their NLP algorithm in response to evolving consumer language, keeping their sentiment analysis sharp and up to date. Also, we've integrated data from a multitude of social platform and external sources. For example, a beverage plant brand combines insights of Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, I mean Pinterest data and Google Trends uh, to see how social conversation influence sales. We have also leveraging third-party tools and APIs for more expensive analytics capability. This approach helped a fashion brand analyze their campaign performance across different platforms, revealing engagement trends in various regions. We have also harnessing advanced analytic techniques like machine learning and natural language processing to gain a deeper insight. A wellness app, for example, using NLP to parse through user feedback, pinpointing sentiment-driven priorities of app enhancement. In the landscape of social media, real-time analytic tools are indispensable as well. So this allows us to monitor engagement and sentiment, for example, catching trends as they emerge. Moreover, social listening platforms also help us to keep an ear to the ground, tracking the brands mentioned and industry conversation. We are also harnessing the power of predictive analytics using past social media anticipate future consumer interest. For example, a beverage company predicting an uptick in demand of health-conscious drink, proactively adapting their product offering and marketing for the summer season. Next, machine learning is uh, revolutionizing how we analyze data and interact with our customers. For example, sentiment analysis through machine learning algorithm allow us to understand the emotion behind social media reaction, informing more uh, strategized marketing strategy. A cosmetic brand, for example, a cosmetic brand uses sentiment analysis to share their marketing around the positive feedback on their eco-friendly packaging. So in trend prediction, more machine learning also have the ability to identify patterns that enable us to anticipate and respond to consumer behavior changes. And when it comes to customer segmentation, machine learning algorithm analyzes behavior and preferences, helping us to target marketing more effort. And machine learning's capability extend to content creation. For example, a travel agency implement machine learning to automatically generate personalized travel narratives, resulting in uh, high-ended customer engagement and a spike in inquiries. Next, leveraging demographic data allows us to segment our audience effectively for more impactful marketing. For example, a children books publisher successful target content to parents aged around 30 to 40, resulting in a better engagement and increasing sales. Behavior insights also provide us a deeper look into how users interact with our offering, enabling personalized experience that resonate with their lifestyle and online fitness platform. Uh, did this with launching a morning workout series showing to their audience active engagement during early hour, which significantly raised their content popularity. So integrating both demographic and behavior data gives us a holistic view of our customer, allowing for highly personalized campaign. For example, a skincare brand uh, did this developing campaigns around professional women's daily routine, which leads to high-ended engagement and stronger brand loyalty. Furthermore, predictive modeling uses this integrated data to anticipate future trends and consumer needs, enabling proactive adjustment in strategy. For example, a grocery delivery service utilizes predictive modeling to foresee and respond to an increased demand of organic products, resulting in greater customer satisfaction and repeat business. Next, we also need of the balanced approach in data analysis, combining the uh, quantitative data with qualitative data with the rich context behind them. For example, a streaming service found a celebrity impact on green popularity by analyzing viewership and alongside social commentary. This integrated insight has pivotal in shaping their content strategy. Our framework in integrating follows a sequence of data collection, uh, rigorous analysis, sentiment of insights, and finally, the development of actionable strategy based on these insights. For example, a case in point in a fashion retailer who, despite high engagement metrics, was seeing low sales conversion through quantitative analysis supplement with consumer feedback. They found that sizing confusion as a key issue by addressing this directly in their content. They saw a marked improvement in their conversation rate. And lastly, we've established a commitment to dynamic and responsive marketing. For example, a real-time feedback loop. An example is how a beverage company capture immediate audience reaction to a new flavor through sentiment analysis and adjust their messaging for a better reason. Next, we also conduct regular performance uh, evaluation against our strategy goals. Take our monthly meeting, for example, where we assess engagement and conversation metrics using uh, discrepancy to fine-tune our approach. Also, adapting strategy based on this evaluation has led to a noticeable improvement. For example, a retailer noticed a spike in engagement with video content, shifted their focus accordingly. The continual monitoring of this shift allowed for further refinement, such as improved call to action, which enhance uh, conversation rate flowing and in-depth review of key performance indicator. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.